You're getting ready to experience a miracle within the next 7 days. Whenever you come across this video, you have something life-changing that's getting ready to hit you in the next 7 days. Remember that miracles can come in many different ways. Sometimes your miracle might just be a mental breakthrough. Sometimes your miracle might be an idea that's like, wait, where did this idea come from? I've never thought of anything like this. Sometimes your miracle might be something that you tap into in yourself that you didn't even know that you had a gift to do, that makes much, much room for you. A miracle. I just wanted to give different ways that miracles can happen, because a lot of times we're ungrateful and we don't really see what God is doing, because if God doesn't move the way we want God to move, then we start being like, God doesn't ever do this, God don't do that. The Most High always give when we ask. Asking it is given. Seek and you shall find. Knocking it shall be open to you. This is something that always automatically happens. God plans is always to give us a future and a hope. You're getting ready to experience a life-changing miracle within the next 7 days. If you're looking at this, I don't care what things have been like or look like, as long as you continue to do what the Most High is leading you to do, even if it seems unrelated to what you're asking for, your life is going to get better and better. For those of you who have been going with the flow, for those of you who have been listening to God, even when it doesn't make sense, but you've been doing it, you're going to see that every month you're up from here. You're up from here. Anything that has happened in June or May is going to continue to multiply for you. Some of you have started back in like April, March. But now things are going to start really shifting. The momentum of 2025 is going to go crazy in a beautiful way. We on that takeover 2025 time for real. Miracle. Something that is like a breakthrough. Something that you cannot make up. Some of you are going to be finding out about something that is owned to you. For some of you, it's going to be through inheritances. This prophetic message doesn't have to be for this particular 7-day thing that I'm talking about. For some of you, it could, for like a couple of y'all. But for many of you listening, this is something separate that I'm speaking about here. But a lot of y'all are going to start coming into your inheritance and coming into your rights. There's a lot of things that's been stripped. There's a lot of things that's been buried and been hidden. And you're going to be one of the first ones to start being able to recover things that are legally owed to you. That's a side message. These things are going to be happening over the next year, over the next 12 months, starting now. There are going to be a lot of things coming to you that you didn't even know was owned, that you didn't even know that you had access or rights to. When I say miracles, for some of you, it could be that you've been dealing with something in your body and you don't know what's going on, or it's something that you may think that you have to have surgery for. It's going to expel itself. You're going to heal. There's going to be something that's a breakthrough for you that you've been needing tremendously, that you've been praying for. From your heart, even if you're not verbally praying about it anymore, a heart's desire is getting ready to come true within the next 7 days. We're talking about miracle signs and wonders. Not only is a miracle going to be happening in your life, but you're going to be somebody who's walking miracle. You've shifted. I just did a video about you're in a completely different era. You don't understand that you're not the same person. Some of you are starting to grasp this. You're literally not the same person. It's like when the Bible tells us, behold, all things old become new. You're a new creation. You're not who you once were. You're not somebody who's a program and a bot of the matrix anymore. Yes, we're all in the matrix. Yes, we all have different things that we're influenced by. It's constant interference in the matrix, but you're not of that. You're very tapped out of that. Even if it has little things where it gets you or here and there, that's fine. We're all going to be, affected by it in some type of way, but you're not a product of it. You're outside of that realm. You're on a completely different type of time. The things that they taught us in this world, especially over here in the West, I can't speak for every world because I haven't been all over the world. Everything that we've learned is backwards about everything. Those of you who this is for, you're no longer part of that program, and you're going to start seeing that your natural born gifts that are in your blood, that are in your DNA, is going to make so much room for you. You already have the blueprint. The blueprint is inside of you. Now it's about allowing it to come out. Now it's about access. Some of you haven't accessed it just because it wasn't time. Some of you are getting ready to realize that you have certain gifts. You're going to start to also spiritually start to see that you have certain connections and you're able to do certain things that you didn't even know that you were able to do. You might be asking yourself, like, how is this possible? Like, I didn't even grow up like this. Like, I wasn't spiritual at all. I didn't believe in a lot of some of these things. Like, I didn't believe that people really see. I didn't believe people could really hear. I don't believe in prophecy, all that type of stuff. Some of you that felt like that for a long portion of your life, you're getting ready to be one of the best at it. You're getting ready to be somebody that's like, wait a minute, I didn't even know that I had this. We're talking about high priests and high priestesses waking up. The prophetic children of the Most High waking up. The chosen ones waking up. The sleeping sons of Jacob waking up. Things are going to start waking up inside of you. This is going to be a miraculous week. Some of y'all are going to have an encounter. Some of you, it could be a dream. Some of you, it could be a vision where you have your first open-eye vision that the Most High gives you. It's going to be something that you never forget. It's going to be something that it shifts everything from this point. 7 days. Mark the day you have a major shift coming in your life. Major. Anything that looks like it's going against you, it's not. Just focus on what the Most High is doing. Keep your thoughts in your mind positive. Something major is going to shift for you. Some of you, it is a financial thing. Some of you, you're going to have some money come to you out the blue. Some of you, it can come from different ways. Some of you may come across money. Some of you, somebody that you're close to may come up on something and bless you or be led to send you something. Some of you is going to be somebody that you haven't even heard from or don't even know that knows you. And they're just going to send you a message and be like, look, I'm feeling led to bless you. God told me to do this. And I'm just throwing different scenarios out. That's barely anything compared to the infinite amount of ways that a miracle can come through to you. I just wanted to say those things that are coming to me directly. Trust. When you really live on faith, faith would never forsake you. What happens a lot of times, we forsake our faith and things don't pan out in a certain type of way, but it's not because the faith didn't work. It's because we left the faith. But this walk going from glory to glory requires faith. And where the Most High is taking the chosen ones, this is how we move. We don't move like these Matrix people move. This is their world that they created from what they know and from what they're able to access. But as a chosen one, your DNA is a lot different spiritually. You're a completely different person. There are certain people that they'll never be able to tap into the things of the Most High, the things of the divine, because they're very carnal. They're of the earth. They're of the matrix, because this is all they'll ever have. They're not leaving this realm. The chosen ones are elevating and expanding upwards, period. Even for those that are here and are going to be here, we're going to be operating on completely different levels. We're getting ready to see these things that we've heard of start to happen today, because guess what? Chosen ones, real chosen ones, are waking up. Some of you, the miracle that you're going to experience is a spiritual miracle that you're never going to be able to forget, and is going to change the course of everything. Power Week is coming up June 23rd through the 29th. You're more than welcome to join us. You can still sign up on prettybosstv.com. 7-day intensive for people who are serious about expanding and taking advantage of the opportunities of the times at hand. Don't tell me you spend an hour a day online, 2 hours on social media a day. And that's for the people that's gentle with it, because I'm pretty sure a lot of people are spending way more time on YouTube, on this or that. Why spend so much time consuming, letting these things consume you, letting all these ideas and all these different millions of things that everybody got an opinion on? Why keep letting these things into your vessel? Why keep letting these things enter the altar of your body? You're not meant to consume. Yes, we have to consume to degrees, right? Everything's about exchange. But as a chosen one, you're meant to create. You're meant to lead. A lot of you have certain things that you've been being called to lead. You've been being called to do. You've been being called to put out. Some of you have a disconnect because you're like, well, a lot of people will say, they'll think about purpose and then they'll think about business and spiritual things as different things, when no, our gifts make room for us. We have to give. We have to do. One of the things that we inherently do on earth is exchange energy through service. And people who are abundant minded, people who understand that the law of exchange, the law of reciprocity, this is how the world moves. When you have a value that you provide, when you have something that you could do, when you can change a person's life, people don't mind compensating for that. That's what people love to do. Even on YouTube, some people are like, oh, I don't take Cash App donations. I don't take. It's like, why not? I want to bless you. This is how much you've blessed me. I want to be able to give back. I just want to be able to tell you thank you in some type of way. For a lot of you, this is what you're called to do. You're ready to get online. And if you're online and you're still not getting views, it doesn't take months. If you haven't gotten any significant turnaround on your channel or on your YouTube or Instagram or wherever you're at online within 2 months, you're doing it wrong. A person who knows what they're doing can start to get traction in 30 days. I'm not saying you're going to go viral in 30 days, get 1 million subscribers, get 100,000, but you'll see that increase. You'll see the momentum. You'll see like, oh, this works. Okay. People find it. When they find it, they sticking around. If you're not having that effect, but you're online, then you're not doing things the correct way. There's a blueprint for everything, and that's what we're going to be talking about for Power Week. 7-day intensive, life-changing boot camp that can get you going and have you really doing what you need to be doing and getting your second stream of income, or if you're looking for another stream of income because you lost yours, really get you going by the time we hit August. It doesn't take all day. It just takes to know. I understand what it takes to be successful online. That's what Power Week is about for those of y'all who are really ready to diversify and stop wasting your time consuming garbage that's keeping you in the same routines, the same patterns, and start putting out what God has placed inside of you that only you have to give. This is what makes room for us. Power Week. PrettyBossTV.com is where you can get tickets. Also, remember that y'all can join us on Patreon.com/PrettyBossTV. There's tons of content there, and we're getting back to the dailies. I've been a little bit incognito this month because, family, y'all don't understand. It's on the tip of my tongue. I cannot wait to tell y'all what we have. I cannot wait to tell y'all what we have now. And this is something God been leading me to do for over 2 years. But I kept at, well, that doesn't make sense, God. How am I going to do it? And it wasn't until I just started the one thing that God gave it all. And I've been using everything and it works, is what I'll say. Announcements coming very soon for the family. Your gifts make room for you. Use them. And for those of y'all that are ready to put your gifts out there, Power Week is where it's at. Invest in yourself. That will multiply to you 10, 20, 100-fold. I love y'all so much. And I'll talk to y'all soon. Y'all willing. Peace.